welcome to this important event. We have now adopted the following model for the scholarship, ACE, since through the Qatar Scholarship, we can offer the students access to quality education, connect locally and internationally, and engage in meaningful opportunities.
Our role is certainly to serve Lebanon, but not only Lebanon, the Middle East and beyond.
نحن متحمسون لهذه الشراكة مع الجامعة الأمريكية في بيروت والتي تتيح لنا العمل معا لنصل إلى المزيد من الشباب المستحقين في لبنان.
I received the email from the Qatar Scholarship Programme, and I think it is about providing us with additional workshops, training that will benefit us on the academic level and on the social level.
I read about the civic engagement requirements and etc. and I'm glad that I'm here.
I'm expecting to be introduced to new learning opportunities, workshops, civic engagement, and to hopefully have the chance for an exchange semester in Qatar.
Welcome to the first ever town hall meeting for the Qatar Scholarship EAA Programme at AUB. We're very excited to have you all students.
We build bridges of opportunities between the university community and the stakeholders.
These are very meaningful opportunities that will last forever. They will remain in your memories forever, and maybe you'll tell us about them during your graduation.
What really impacted me is the term abbreviated by ACE.
I'm very excited to try a new engagement activity that I didn't get to try before.
The event was really fruitful and it was really enjoyable. We learned more about the scholarship and we met with highly intellectual people.
This is a great scholarship. It offers amazing opportunities to our students. It covers 400 students across 4 years, and it really complements all other scholarships and all other opportunities that exist at AUB. We're very excited about this and very happy to launch this event and to launch the scholarship to all the students. Clap if you are excited about this. Are you excited about this?